Looking for a handy tool for electrical, automotive, battery, and solar work? Meet the Aneng digital clamp current multimeter. With its clamp design, you can measure current without needing to disconnect the wire, making electrical testing more convenient and practical. AC or DC current measurement. Clamp style current testing. Digital display for easy reading. Great for solar and battery systems. Useful for electricians, technicians, and DIY users. Compact and easy to carry. Stop guessing, measure it. Get your Aneng digital clamp multimeter today and make your electrical troubleshooting faster and easier.